Good morning. I am gonna put on my shoes. Wait to put on my shoes today because I am going out. I'm going hiking. I'm gonna put on the shoes that they see. That's why I'm wearing them outside. I'm late also because the lady that I'm traveling with is already gone. So I have requested an Uber and it's already waiting for me. I have no time for this. I locked up everything. Okay, I look like a real vlogger. Hello folks, welcome to my YouTube. Thank you for tuning in, and this is a hiking vlog. I am at Eden Forest. On the Paradyskloof. Is that how they say it? Paradyskloof. Yeah, whatever they say it like that. I don't know. I do want to show you my feet though. Hey, let me just extend this camera thing. It's difficult. I don't know how to do this. Okay, I'm gonna try to like extend it a little bit. All right, that's better. Welcome to my YouTube channel. There isn't anyone behind me, but if you're new here, thank you for tuning in. Subscribe, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Hey, this thing is still continuing even if I stopped it. I don't know how people do these hikes and vlogging, because it just seems like a lot of work, to be honest. Not seems, it is a lot of work, because look at me right now, I'm doing all sorts of things. And there's people looking at me, so I feel very much embarrassed. I love the pines, the pine trees. They're good for shade, which is great. Oh, the mountains that we walked past, I think they were called Tots and Tots Holland Mountains. Oh, there's a wedding. Oh, there's a wedding there. The people are getting married. Okay, I didn't know, but I'm going here because I'm trying to go out. It might not be a wedding. I think it is a photo shoot of some sort. I don't know. Yeah, this looks much better. There's a photo shoot of some sort. So I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling hot. I'm feeling hot. I'm burning. Oh. Okay, the views are immaculate, but the people are crashing out. This is funny. The people are crashing out. The people are crashing out. And OMG, there is someone behind me, very close. There's someone in front of me, very close. The people are just crashing out because this is a very narrow road, either going forward or backward. So we can't really move freely. We just only have to follow each other. And it's just a mess, chaotic mess. At this point, I'm going through a midlife crisis. I'm questioning my whole entire existence. Like, why would I wake up early just to stand in a queue in the mountains? Doesn't make sense. So I'm also going through a lot here. There is one at Helderbeck where like it's just all proteas and they look really pretty. Oh, I thought you were taking the pictures.
They're taking pics here. Sorry guys, come now. You can't stay. Yes. I couldn't. It's blocked here. It's blocked. Block out my pictures. One lane. Hi! There's one lane only. But here is a waterfall through.
This is literally all prettiest.
Very small one. That's very rocky. Very rocky. Very rocky. The people in front must say what's ahead. No communication. Must communicate in front. Rocky, rocky, rocky. Rocky, rocky, rock.
So we stopped here to take pictures by the flowers. You want me to take you there or here? Oh, for now. We just passed there. Oh, come. Let's take a video together, please. This is a lot of work. Yo, wait. What am I doing? Okay. Do we look okay? I don't know. No, I'll flip the camera. Then we're gonna be on the other side.
Cool.
Okay. Okay. So we do this. Like we do this.
Okay, come now. Come. Oh, sweetie.
You want me to take it? It should be alright.
Thank you.
But yes, please. It's still filming. Okay, it's still filming.
Come, let's just video this.
No.
Okay, let us just do this one. The flowers in the mountain. So, come now, you. Thanks.
Thank you.
You want one?
This filming thing is not working out. But the mountains are really pretty here. And the flowers are pretty. So we are taking a photo shoot break with the ladies. And we are having a nice time. The sun is out and shining, but we're gonna see how far we can go before we get tired. So I finally reached the waterfall, but turns out the waterfall was actually dry. It didn't have a lot of water, which is a little disappointing, but gosh, it is so hot. The waterfall was not even worth it. I'm trying to walk onto the side of the shade. So there's like a little bit of trees and whatnot. The waterfall was not it at all because I don't know, it dried up. It should be a little better maybe in summer, I mean in winter when it rains. And what else? I'm hungry, I'm tired, and I don't want to be here anymore. Oh, and another thing that I didn't like was the thorns. They ate my legs because my pants are, I don't know, the material is not thick enough. So the thorns all the way into the bushes could just eat my legs, which was something that I was not prepared for. But yeah, I guess it's okay. That's what you get for going to the mountains. Well, the hike was 8 kilometers. It was a tough one, very difficult, lots of scrambling. Please subscribe if you haven't. What else do I need to say? Well, the hike was full of lots of fun. I'm hungry now, so I don't really know what to say. But it was great. It was amazing to be here and to hike. Ooh, the shade. I love the shade. The shade is going. Oh, look what my cap says. It says Princess Coffee. I don't know if it says Princess Coffee, but yeah. Oh, Sunrise Coffee, not Princess Coffee. I can't see the camera, that's why. So yeah, but other than that, thank you for tuning in. I'll see you guys on my next vlog, which will be my next hiking vlog. Hopefully by then I'll have a nice little camera to show you all the nice scenes going on. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching. Bye.